Well, license plate readers have become a valuable tool helping law enforcement put the brakes on crime.
In tonight's Legal Lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asks Brown and Crupin's Andrea McNary about what the law says about the use of the plate scanning technology.
Andrea, when we're talking about license plate readers, I guess, exactly what are we talking about and how are they used?
So law enforcement calls them automated license plate readers or ALPRs. And what they are cameras that are used by law enforcement that can determine whether a vehicle was at a scene of a crime, or it can be used to identify patterns or discover vehicles that may be associated with each other. And basically what they are is high-speed cameras that catch license plates if they're anywhere in the proximity to the camera. So they can be hung on light posts, put on police cars, on buildings, and the data can be kept and analyzed for crime purposes or Amber Alerts or other such things.
What does the law say about the use of these cameras?
So basically what the Fourth Amendment says is it protects people from unreasonable search and seizure, right? We're talking about your interest to privacy. But a lot of courts have held that there is no private interest when you're out driving on a street with a publicly issued license plate. So while some municipalities have come up with laws and states have come up with laws with regard to these automatic cameras, Missouri is not one of them.
We know that they have been used successfully. At the same time, I guess, what concerns are there about the possibility the technology might be used in a way that goes too far?
Well, the concern is that all of this information is stored somewhere, and stored presumably for long periods of time. So if it's not limited to the commission of a crime or an Amber Alert or serious crimes, the question is this information related to just regular citizens out being stored and used for other purposes?
Andrea McNary with Brown and Crouppen, as always, we appreciate your insight. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.